What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a little while since I posted a video, since I posted anything regarding detailing, vehicles, whatever is going on. So today that's going to change, going to give you guys an update. Let's go. So the first thing that did not change is the Mini Cooper still here. It did not sell or has not sold yet. For those of you that follow me on Instagram, you know that I have lowered the price from $3,000 to $2,500. But what I have came down to, what I have decided to do is just keep modifying the car until it does sell. Now that being said, it's getting new wheels and tires. Unfortunately for the Volkswagen, I cannot say the same thing. It is getting new, well, I'm not going to say anything just yet. I'm pretty sure everyone who follows me on Instagram can figure out what I have purchased for it. It wasn't cheap, but it needs to be done, and I've wanted to do this for a while. But it just rained extremely hard last night, and me being an idiot, I parked it on this crappy surface that they left us, so that actually covered from halfway down in that clay substance. I mean, look at the wheels and tires. It's just bad. And then I have leaves all over the trunk, all over the hood. I'm sorry, all over the roof, all over the glass. Front windshield's covered in them. But this is where it gets bad. Look at this. Oh my god. That's just ridiculous. I'm cringing right now, so I gotta clean this. I'm going to move the Mini Cooper over a little bit. I'm going to park this next to that, and yeah, so let's get to cleaning this thing. Now the modification that I actually got for the Volkswagen, a lot of Volkswagen owners do this to their vehicle, especially if they have a Jetta GLi or GTI. Pretty much any Volkswagen, you know, who's into lowering their vehicle does this to their vehicle. Now what I did was I purchased Airlift Suspension, and that's going to give me the capability of lowering the car all the way to the ground, adjusting the ride height, you know, looking cool and being, you know, hood rat and doing all that stupid crap. Now the back of the car is actually going to be sitting super far in the ground. So if you noticed, if you notice, the rear quarter is sitting maybe right at the top of the tire, maybe just like a quarter of an inch lower than the top of the tire. It's actually going to be tucking the wheel on all four corners. Once I install the airlift, I'm gonna have to notch the passenger front end just to clear the axle. I don't know why Volkswagen created the design they did, but they did, and that's where we're at. So like I said, stepping away, it's right at the tire. So when I do the air ride, it's actually gonna bring the back of the vehicle to about right here, and the front will sit, instead of sitting right at the tire, the front will actually sit about right here. So it'll look really nice, aired out. I'm not changing the wheels and tires just yet. I love the 18-inch Mallory wheels that this generation came with, and for some reason the Mallory wheels for the GLi, the Mark 6 GLi, are really sought after. I don't know why. It's just a wheel that looks good in my opinion. All the other wheels that came with the GLIs, the Mark 6 GLi that is, kind of look just bad. So I mean, they look as bad as the paint looks right now, or the surface of this car. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this, and then it's probably gonna rain because there's some clouds coming in, and we all know how Florida is. But look at all these freaking leaves, man. That's ridiculous. We're not even in fall. So anyways, that's an update for you guys. The Mini Cooper over there is getting wheels and tires. This is getting air ride. We're just doing big things around here. By the way, there are brand new products coming out from Adams Polishes. Make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. There are new products coming from Adams Polishes that we'll be releasing soon. Make sure you guys have subscribed. Make sure you guys like this video. Drop a comment below. See you guys on the next one. It's caught in the crossfire.